All right, W4KWS here again. We have Kuwait back on frequency here today on 260. So we're on 100 watts today. We worked them with a kilowatt last week. I think is the same station. So we're going to try to work them on 100 watts here. It's just going to be...
Sam, 9 kilo, 2 kilo Oscar, copy Alpha 4 Tango Florida.
Yeah, it's 9.
Again, please. Yeah, Roger.
We just worked this station last week.
From Alpha 4 Tango Florida.
Yep, he's in Kuwait. Man, look at my log. I'm having a hard time finding it. Just deep in my log here.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I need only your suffix, only the suffix Alpha 4 Tango. What is that? I think I'm missing only one letter. Over. Roger, Sam. It's Florida.
Oh, I'm going to have to go to my YouTube channel and find his call sign because my log is, he's way deep down in my call.
Nice video. Thank you for the call. You coming?
Yeah, 9 kilo 2 Golf Radio. 9 kilo 2 Golf Radio.
Thank you so much, Sam. I'm used to talking to you long path. I don't get to speak with you much short path. Very good signal. Big pile up. You have a wonderful signal here. Stateside, it's Anthony here in the state of Indiana, QSL. Yeah, QSL.
Esta es una estación en Kuwait. La semana pasada lo trabajamos con 1000 vatios. Hoy vamos a tratar con 100. Vamos a ver si es verdad.
All the best to you from Kuwait, 73. Okay, Sam. Great to hear you. It's always good to hear you. 73s and good DX. Take care, my friend, and good wishes to you and your family, Sam. 9 kilo, 2 kilo Oscar from Alpha
9 kilo, 2 kilo Oscar. Oh, it's a different station. Oh, yeah, this is a different station here. This is a different station. I'm wrong. What do you know? Listen to that pileup. So what do? We listen. That guy came in late, like a year late.
Echo Mike, your audio very sharp.
Talking about sharp audio, let's make sure we have the DX bust. Oh, yeah, actually too wide. We're going to narrow this up. 42, 400 to 2600. Okay.
Victor 4 Alpha Bravo radio. Thank you for the call. 5 and 9 in Kuwait. Over. Okay.
Oh, this guy is very narrow. Oh my God, what is that? All right, let's get ready here on the trigger. We're definitely not going first with all those. Listen to those stations.
Thank you, my friend. For the call. 73. 9 kilo, 2 kilo. Kilo Delta 4, Japan Radio X-ray.
Whiskey 4 kilowatt, Whiskey Sierra.
Kilo 4, Yankee Uniform Charlie.
Let's see. Fingers crossed.
Kilo 4, Yankee Uniform Charlie.
Yeah.
Hold Victoria Whiskey Juliet.
Victoria Whiskey Juliet. All right. Again, always be patient. Same thing I repeat again and again and again. We're 100 watts.
Victoria Whiskey Juliet. Thank you for the call. 5859. Over.
See, if you were listening, you heard the Puerto Rico station. He turned his antenna to the Puerto Rico station, so we have a small window here before.
Thank you. Thank you for your call.
He picks up a rare station and turns that beam over somewhere else. Whiskey 4 kilowatt, Whiskey Sierra.
Kilo 4 Yankee Uniform Charlie.
Come on, guys.
Delta 4 Japan Radio X-ray.
Whiskey 4 kilowatt, Whiskey Sierra.
Whiskey 4 Yankee Uniform Charlie.
Whiskey 4 kilowatt, Whiskey Sierra.
Kilo 4 Yankee. Whiskey 4 Kilo Whiskey Sierra. Tony, thank you for the call. 5758, over.
Hey, thank you for the 5758. You're 5'9" into Key West, Florida. Key West, Florida, about 90 miles away from the island of Cuba, my friend. Beautiful audio, huge pileup. Thank you for the DX, 9 kilo 2 kilo ocean, W4KWS, over.
Yeah, Roger, thank you. Thank you, Tony, for the report. And also nice having the log up the first time. All the best to you from Kuwait.
There you go. 100 watts, Kuwait. Another Kuwait contact. Last week, it was 1,000 watts. This week, 100 watts. So conditions are very favorable, right? We got lucky there. Huge pileup. And he heard us. You know, it's all about strategy. When you transmit, don't try to be the first one out of the gate. Here are the settings. What do we have for the bandwidth here? That's the what I call the DX Buster settings are in here. And for H&H, it's responsible for most of this. But anyway, 7373. Ahí tenemos a Kuwait. A Kuwait ahí tenemos con 100 vatios. Así que saludos a todos. 7,443 millas. 7,443 miles. 100 watts. Antenna, off-center fed dipole at 11 meters. 7.3, everyone. Another video for YouTube. Please subscribe and like my videos. Help me overcome this YouTube algorithm that's treating me unfairly. No, it's not. 7.3.